What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We are here at Frank & Sons. The building is right behind me. You can see it with my big head's not in the way. And as you can see, there's nobody in the parking lot with us. So I am gonna be making a video of our visit here today, and it should be pretty dope. So just stay tuned.
I give you my heart.
What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? It's pretty late right now. I would say actually, I don't know if you can see that. It's 11:51. I'm gonna go pick up my boy Armando. It is we're gonna go to Frank & Sons, but we really don't want to get there at the last minute because I know parking can be crucial there. So Frank & Sons, Los Angeles, California, we are coming for you. As you guys can see, it is 11:53. Why did that rhyme so randomly? Oh God, I'm still rhyming. Anyways, yeah, we are gonna hit I'm gonna go pick up the homeboy, Big Mondo's. We're about to hit the bank, then we're about to hit the road. A.m. Now just waiting for him to come out the cribbo, then we can hit the road. Probably gonna have to get some gas still. Pretty exciting stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, we have movement. I see him. He's just getting something out of his car real quick, I'm assuming. And then we should be good. Hey, look at him, man. Do it for the vlog. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the PokeVlog. I ain't gonna do it. Hey, what's good? All right, we're gonna head out.
Next stop, Los Angeles, baby.
Yeah, next stop, LA. Yeah, we still going strong. We still going strong. What's up, Razor Squad? We out here. We out here. We are probably like an hour and 15 minutes away from Frank & Sons, and it is gonna be lit. It's only like 4:32 right now, but you know, it's only 4:32. They open up at 9. We got like what we got 4.5 hours, bro. 4.5 hours. We're gonna get into LA probably like. What we thinking? Like
Probably be there
like in an hour.
Yep.
And then we're probably gonna like look for a parking lot to just crash in our car in, bruh. We're just gonna sleep in our car, you know. Wait,
No big deal.
We just some big dudes, man. We just need some sleep, man. You know what I mean? That's all there is to it. Squad, we made it. Ladies and gentlemen, just up ahead, we are going to be pulling up on Frank & Sons. So we're going to go check out the parking lot. We're going to go check out the parking lot to see if it's for some reason piling up at 5:51 in the morning. But if it's not getting packed, we're going to go eat and probably just, you know, chill out and maybe take a little nap.
Take a little nap.
We're gonna go eat and then park and take a nap.
Okay.
nap it up. Big boy nap.
Big boy nap.
So just like I said, just up ahead, Frank and Son should be right around this corner. Frank and Sons, there it is. Opens at 9 a.m. We're here about 3 hours early.
Damn.
Parking lot's empty, bro.
Damn.
There it is. We'll be coming right back.
It's so special, boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure.